What kind of exhaust is that?
It's a Hellcat OEM catback and American Racing long tube headers. Right off
That's
Hellcat.
crazy.
Yeah.
What year is this thing, man? It's great.
2012.
2012?
Yeah.
Where'd you find it?
I bought it in 13. Fucking an old guy owned it. It had like,
right?
had like 10,000 kilometers.
Technically, they're like discontinued or something. They only sell it in like Australia or something. Dude, fucking sick, man. That's so sick. Yo, light it up, bro. Sweet, sweet. Nice. That's not bad, bro. Yo, man, don't leave it idling, man. You don't want the kick, man.
I already had that. I have to Yeah, a lifter seized on me and wore the cam. That's what CGR did the motor for me.
Oh, CGR did. Yeah. They're just they got a new place just down by my house actually.
Yeah. I was like the last job in the road shop at the dealership.
Tracked it?
I've tracked it before. I did the heads and cam and before the stall converter. It did like 12.4.
What do you think? 12.4.
12.4, 114. It should do like 11.9 around 118 now. I think, or 12.0 at like 118.
Damn.
490 wheel, 447 torque.
Goddamn.